Hi, my name is Ajay Baball, and I'm a member of the Human Rights Law Clinic for the year 2015-2016. And today I want to share with you what my Human Rights Law Clinic experience meant to me. Now, I like swimming and I like metaphors, so I'm going to use those two to try and explain to you what it meant to me. Now, when you dive into a pool, you're not necessarily sure how deep it will go until you're really in there and exploring the depths. Well, that's really how the clinic experience was for me. Well, to the extent that I'm likening the experience to one of my favorite things to do, swimming. Now, the clinic offers you the opportunity to work alongside amazing organizations such as Amnesty International and Habitat for Humanity. You'll find yourself on the ground working with them and participating in events and bills. It's really a second to none experience when it comes to helping your fellow man. You'll also find yourself having the opportunity to engage in advocacy, both oral and written. The oral advocacy, you'll have the opportunity to speak to schools. From my experience, I spoke to the St. Mary's College Boys for secondary school and the St. Joseph Girls RC primary school. Both were amazing to educate the younger generation and help foster that love for law from an early age and help them appreciate what human rights really mean and what can mean to them. Now, with the written advocacy, you have the opportunity to write in a Law Made Simple column. The Law Made Simple column really is where you educate your fellow man through newspapers, articles, on modern issues that relate to human rights. So my article was on intellectual property and human rights. And you'll find that most people, even law students, didn't know that intellectual property rights are human rights. And that you're guaranteed those human rights by virtue of being born human, free and equal in dignity. Now, that's Article 1 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, and that's the same document that codifies intellectual property rights. See, these things haven't, through the clinic, you have the opportunity to really educate and empower persons. And we're called to do so as future attorneys and leaders in society. We have to empower and lead by example. So I encourage each and every one of you to explore the site and visit other testimonials and find out exactly what this clinic experience can mean to you. And come on, take a dive and if you see it for yourself.